Let's see how this works out. So this is it, guys. This is the sandwich. It's so nice. Hey guys, hey my friend, it's E here, 1E and J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, you know, watch the video. Anyway, I've got some goodies in the bag here. I went to the little Jamaican shop. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at the Jamaican shop. Woo, guys, I picked up a piece of cheese. And this is for £2. Look. Yeah, see there? £2. Alright. I don't know what this is, but I picked up this cornbread. I used to love cornbread when I used to live in Jamaica. So I'm going to try it. I didn't want the sweet bun. So I'm going to try it with the cheese in a minute as a little snack. Alright, how much for this? I don't see the price. I don't remember how much I paid for it. And I picked up a crackers. I like having this with the little tea. You understand? Yeah. Excelsior water crackers. Good. Guys, I picked up this cucumber. So I'm going to make it vegetable with the cucumber. I picked up one potato because I'm going to cook some soup for myself alone. Me, myself, and I. I also picked up a cocoa. Alright, one. Because you know, as I said, the soup, I'm alone drinking it. I didn't put yellow yam in the soup, guys. I choose the renta yam. So I'm going to try and see what I can do with this in the soup. And I picked up 2 soup. Grace cook soup makes spicy. And I picked up a piece of pumpkin. I told the lady that the pumpkin doesn't look very yellow, but I still picked it up and I'm going to use it to cook my soup now. And last but not least, I picked up this bag of pimento. I love using it in my meat and also in my rice and peas. And I'm going to put some in the soup. So I'm going to see that. So, and she gave me one orange. I'm going to try it because they gave me some the other day. I didn't try them. But I'm going to try this at a later date. Alright. So, yeah. You know how much this come to, guys? This little shopping came to £19 and 20 pence. It's like 4,000 something Jamaican dollars. Could I get more stuff in Jamaica for £14? For 4,000? I think so. But yeah. So that is it, guys. I'm going to do the snack and then I'll show you guys my soup. If I'm feeling festive, I'll show you when I'm cooking it, but if not, I'm just going to cook the soup and show you the results. Alright? Yes, see you in the next clip. Okay, let's eat our cheese. And I'm getting the cheese knife. Right. Cheese. The cornbread. the cheese here, so I'm gonna cut the cheese back. Okay. And let's get the cheese out. Alright, yeah. So, yeah, I cut the cheese. My daughter loves this cheese, but she's not here to get any. Yeah, I'm gonna leave peace till another day. Don't eat off everything in one day, guys. Leave something for your next day, you understand? Sometimes you're tempted and want to eat off everything, but you have to leave something. Oh, there you go. Here. So, I'm gonna leave this bit for another day. This is the bread knife. I've got butter. Let's see how this works out. So this is it, guys. This is the sandwich. Oh my god. Yeah. No, so look at me, I'll put this soup. Let me eat it. I'm gonna eat this up. Oh my god, yeah. Guys, it's nice. Tastes better than the banana cheese. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Guys, if you want cranberry and cheese, go to CarryCom, go straight and tell them E&J Lifestyle sent you. I think I'm going to eat this. Okay, let me have some. Have a bit. It tastes very nice. Hey guys, I didn't show you guys when I was peeling all this stuff, but guess what? I am gonna cook the soup. I ate all the cheese and the thing, and I'm gonna cook the soup. So now the soup is on the fire. So if you don't see anything else, you will see when it bubble up and when I'm sharing it and when I'm eating it. Alright? So you don't say a word. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, see the soup here? See the soup here? Chicken, yam. Oh my god, the yam and mashed out. Pork, sweet potato dumpling with spelt flour dumpling, guys. Hey, that go on with itself, you know. It smells nice. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit and make it simmer down. The pumpkin wasn't that yellow, you know. Yes, people, I'm a soup, Saturday soup. Yeah. Still can't find. Where is the yam? Everything. Do you know what? The piece of yam messed up. Oh God. Where is the cocoa city? The nice piece of yam, guys. It just messed up. It's very thick. I think it's the renta yam that make it thick. So thick, man. Ooh. So guys, this is the dinner. So this is the dinner. Oh my days, my Saturday soup. Okay, so this is the soup, guys. The soup is thick. Yeah, thick. Oh, it's very thick. But it is very nice. Very nice. Oh God. Thank God for this food I'm about to eat. Oh, Jesus. Oh. The soup nice. You have to say everything in the soup come from Jamaica. Yeah, I bought it in the Jamaica shop. And the pimento grain, I can taste it in there. It is nice. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna